Hello friends, hope you are doing well and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to discuss about email notification. Suppose you are building an application using WordPress or Laravel. Now you want to test whether this application is sending email as a notification for various event like forget password or a comment for that send a notification to the admin user. There are many options where the application send an email to the admin user, but how you can test this on your local environment? We all already familiar with software like Laragon that allow you to install WordPress in your Windows PC. And in this session we are going to show you how to enable this email notification very quickly. What are the things you need to learn? So let's move to our next slide. So send email locally using Mailpit in Laravel. So Mailpit is a open source software. If you search that, it is very small, fast and zero dependency application that allows you sending email. So I am here very quickly showing you the user interface. So once you install it, you can see it is like a Gmail in your local PC, and localhost 8025 port that shows it is just like an email. The user interface looks like an email. Now for example, say I have a Laravel application, say running here. So say I want to test the forget password function. So say my email is like test dot test. Let us assume that this it has there is a user. Before that I just show you there is a user available, say this, and so this user exists in this application. I just want to check whether the forget password link is working or not. So say I am going to use forget and using test dot test forget password. And here if we go to Mailchimp, we can see a new email is coming just a few seconds ago. Okay, so we locally receiving this email, and using this link we can change the password. That is not our topic of discussion. We want to see what are the things we need to enable in our Laragon to make this software enable. So for that you have to go to your Laragon installation folder. So Laragon installation folder is located somewhere in your C drive, you will find, and there is a bin folder, we know that, and inside this bin folder you will find a folder called Mailpit. If this folder is not available, if your installation is not including this software, no problem, just you can download this for Windows. So just go to this Windows AMD 64 exe.exe. You will get a GitHub link that shows how to download this. So there is a GitHub repository available. So here you can download this software for Windows, and it is frequently updated. I see 4 days ago it is updated and very small. Download it and unzip this folder inside your bin folder. This bin folder, just MailChimp exe is the file. Now you have to set this exe file as a send path to your PHP.ini setting, which is very important. So let's go to the PHP.ini setting, where you can find this. Go to this PHP and PHP.ini. So in PHP.ini setting, I was just working on this. So here all you need to remove this semicolon before the SMTP, and if this is like 25, then change it to 1025, and in this mail path just see this path is added, so that this particular software is used, or exe file is used for sending. And you also need to configure the env file of your environment file of your Laravel application. So Laravel application, here you just need to change the default. You can pause this video and take a screenshot, like mailer is SMTP, and then localhost is same. Change the port name and keep this information as it is. When you are making your Laravel application live on the live server, you just need to change all those information according to your server SMTP mail SMTP configuration. So this is how you can configure your local Laragon application, so that it send you the forget password link. And it is not only for forget password. Say you have developed a module that has a specific feature, like you are placing order, customer is placing order, you want to send a notification to the admin for the new order. In that case, testing those email notification is also important. Now what if you don't have mail? We already discussed how to install it. Just download from GitHub and place it to the bin folder. That's it. And if you don't have this Mailpit, then there is another option. It is called MailCatcher. So how to enable this MailCatcher? For enabling this MailCatcher, go to the preference and there is a tab MailCatcher. Just enable this. Once you enable this feature and go to this particular MailCatcher folder, you can see all the recent emails are listed there with the date of modification. That means when this mail arrived. So here is a quick test how you can test your mail function is working or not. Just look at this comment. It is like sending a test mail. So just run this one, and you can see immediately there is an email pop up. Go to this directory, just you can see a new email is created, and it is coming from the MailCatcher. So you can use either MailCatcher or Mailpit for testing the email notification. So I think this video is helpful for you to master how to enable email notification on your local server and doing the testing. Thank you, and see you guys in another episode. Till then, take care.